Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. And December 18th, we're working our way through this Elvis Presley Advent calendar, and today we're going to see what's in box 18. But before I do that, if you're new here and this is your first time on the channel, welcome and thanks for tuning in. If you wouldn't mind doing me a favor and clicking that subscribe button below and giving this video a thumbs up, that would be awesome. As for all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all of your support and everything. I really appreciate you folks. Thank you so much. All right, so we're kind of getting into the home stretch here, and we'll see what's in the next box. So let's take a look and see where is box number 18. It is right here, so let's pull that out and see what we get today. Okay, so it looks like we're getting a tiny little microfiber cleaning cloth. I guess that's to dust the model, maybe? All right, so let's set that aside, close this up, and then we will change the box that way. And there you can see our pictures coming along. All right, so let's see what the book has to say for today. All right. In this section, they're talking about the, okay, so this is the movie Live a Little, Love a Little, which debuted in 1968. And in the movie, in the beginning of the movie, there's a scene where he's driving this on the beach. Kind of crazy scene, actually. He's driving like a nut. So this is what everyone calls a dune buggy now, but originally it was called the Myers Manx. And Bruce Myers, back in the 1960s, built the first one of these out of fiberglass, and his basically the influence for this was he lived down in California on Pismo Beach, and a lot of people were driving around on the beach. He saw someone driving around with a Volkswagen chassis, just no body on it. So he got the idea and drew up some plans and made this fiberglass body for it. All right, so for the description of the box, it says here, today you receive a useful accessory to maintain your model. The microfiber cloth lets you easily remove annoying fingerprints and dust which appear on your modeled car over time. All right, so I was right about that. All right, so in this one we got a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Again, nothing to build unfortunately, but that's okay. It's still fun and I'm still enjoying doing this. So that's it for this. I will see you guys tomorrow, and we will unbox number 19. And like I said, we're getting in the home stretch. We're almost done. I hope everyone's having a great week. Hope you all have a great day. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. So until tomorrow, everyone be safe out there and go build something.